Once upon a time, in a faraway land, in a quiet forest, there lived two beautiful birds. They loved each other very much. They sang together with the morning sun. They traveled across the sky. One day, they decided, let's make our own little chicks. They gathered leaves, flowers, and grass and made a beautiful nest. In that nest, they laid an egg. The two birds guarded the eggs with love. They made a dream. Our chicks will come soon. We can sing together. But one dark night, an evil snake came to the nest to swallow those eggs. The next morning, when the birds looked at the nest, there were no eggs. Their hearts stopped at that moment. Time passed, but they did not stop. They decided, let's make a nest again. Let's love again.